Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand how to make a schedule on the Microsoft Team app by using mobile phone. In this video, step by step, we try to understand, we try to learn. So from the Play Store, we download the Microsoft Team app, and after login with ID and password, we come to this much option, and here you can see the different icons: activity, chat, teams, assignment, calendar. When we reach on the calendar, there is also one more option more. Go to the calendar. A plus sign with the circle is appeared here. Click on this one. Give the title for the class. For example, we give games for class 9 to 10. Share to a channel. So I select the channel. For example, it is for the 9th and 10th. I have selected a journal channel of particular class 10. Then accordingly we set the time. For example, we select this one. Accordingly we select the date and time both. It will start at 10 o'clock. See the carefully AM and PM. For description we can add something which we need to instruct to the students. For example, join the class timely, and everything is ready now. It is for 10C we have created. Now click on the right button. You can see right tick on the right top corner. I click on this one. Now automatically the meeting has been created. Go to the team of that particular section. It's a 10C. Go to the journal tab. You can see here this blue strip is appeared, games for class 9 to 10. So already meeting has been created. Something we do for the setting purpose. Click on this one. It will open like this, and here you can see more. Click on this one. Here the meeting option. Click on this one. It will open in a separate browser. Click on the Chrome or other browser. It will open in a new window. From here we can change the setting as a organizer only for me, and you can see who can present. Click on this one, only me. Save. It is done. Now again go back to the previous step. Now this is the meeting only for particular class, and I want to share the same meeting in the other channels also. So click here to join the meeting. I select this one. This type of the icon will be appear. Copy this one. Go to the back. Now this is I have created for 10C. I want to paste in the 10th D. Go to the next class 10th D, journal tab. Click on this button, new conversation, and here we paste the link and we send the link. In this way we can create the link and we share the link with the other channels, with the other classes, whatever we have decided for this particular. So in this way I think steps are clear to all of you. So the next point is, because I have created the class and I want to cancel the class. So again go to the particular class, again go to that schedule which we have created, and you can see again we are on the same page in the last cancel event. So click on this one and click on the cancel event. It is for one time. It is, if it is a series, so here it appears cancel series. So cancel event. So the event is cancelled. You can see it is written before the schedule cancelled games for class 9th and 10th. So Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.